Today I'm going to show you how to export a layer without its fill in Figma, and I'll walk you through the quickest way to do it step by step. This is a really useful trick if you want to export just the outline, icon, shape, or layer structure without the solid color showing up in the final file. It's especially helpful for clean design assets, transparent graphics, and polished exports that are ready to use in your projects. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Figma tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Figma design and click on the layer that you want to export. This could be a shape, icon, illustration element, or any other object in your file. Once you select the layer, look over to the right-hand panel because that's where all of the properties for the selected object are shown. Now scroll or look until you find the fill section. The fill controls the color or visible fill applied to that layer. If you want to export the layer without that fill, you have two options here. The first option is to click the eye icon next to the fill. This will hide the fill, so the object will no longer display that color. The second option is to click the hyphen next to the color, which removes the fill entirely. Both methods will help you export the layer without that visible fill, so choose whichever works best for your workflow. If you just want a temporary visual hide, the eye icon is usually the fastest choice. If you want to fully remove the fill from the layer settings, then use the hyphen next to the color. After making that change, take a quick look at your layer to make sure it now appears the way you want before exporting. Next, scroll down in the right panel until you find the export section. This is where you set up the final output for your asset. Click Export, then choose the export settings you want to use. You can select the file type and any size or scale options depending on what you need. Once your settings are ready, click Export again and choose your file name. Figma will then generate the exported file without the fill you removed earlier. That means your final export will be cleaner and better suited for transparent use. Design handoff or importing into another project. And that's it. You've now learned how to export a layer without its fill in Figma in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Figma tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.